It's David Most back here at Old Mill Bottom Road. Friday evening, January the 10th, or February the 10th. Got M372 coming. Mixed freight. Yeah, the locomotive in Mt Airy. Number 519. 289. Two Yn2s leading, thundering up the hill. We got Maryland Midland right off the bat. And a third Maryland Midland. Followed up by a bunch of tankers. 1987, got some added up hay. Actually, that's ethanol. 1824 Sojourn hydraulic sides. Hydrochloric acid. Don't want that to. I want that to stay on the rails. Don't want that to derail. 1789. More hydrochloric acid. Gotta stay clear of those cars. There's some LP. Yeah, this train definitely was not allowed to go through DC. Must be empty because they got the placards off or they forgot to put them on. There's more hydrochloric acid. Ooh. Got the corrosive stuff on this train. Burlington Northern Santa Fe. TR. That's what TR stands for. You know, leave in the comments. More propane, 1075. Get dusted by all the sand. Must have been throwing some sand down. Some fine sand dust flying around right now. Step over here where the lights from the top of the truck light it up a little better. A couple empty. Stay Moss. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. On east it goes. Through Baltimore and on to Philadelphia probably.